precisely heated plastic is extruded into a continuous hollow tube. After cutting to length, tubes are randomly checked for size, shape, length, and thickness. Meanwhile, brass shot cups are being drawn and shaped. As with rimfire, these cups are then headed and trimmed with exacting precision. Shotshell cups are also annealed to preserve strength. They are washed and polished. Before cups and tubes can be mated, base wadding must be added. Next, shot tube, shot cup, and primer are all brought together. Every aspect is checked and double-checked to precise dimensions and exacting standards. In another part of the Federal complex, lead shot is being made from raw ingots. Molten lead is dropped into water at a metered rate, forming precise, round pellets. The pellets are sized, inspected, and then sent to loading. It all comes together on the loading line. Powder, wad, and shot are added, monitored, and crimped into place. Loaded rounds are checked for powder and shot weight, and are also fired for pressure, velocity, pattern, and functioning. Even during packing, every single round is visually inspected.